Hello, children. So, today we are going to revise chapter 1 Going to School and chapter 2 Year to Year. So, all of you very concentrate in this class and see all the very nicely line to line everybody open textbooks and very nicely you have to see this video up to the last, children. Last there is a 10 questions. Everybody should solve that 10 questions after seeing the video revision session chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, children. So all of you very concentrate, you see this video up to the last and solve the last 10 question in your copy. Okay, so very easily you can understand and you will write in your EVS class or copy with neat handwritings without mistakes. So all of you write in your copy. First is bamboo bridge. It is used in which place? In Assam. In Assam there is a rain so much, right? And this is what the bamboo and road bridge you see in this picture. And there is knee-high water everywhere, but it does not stop the children to reach their school. They hold books in one hand and bamboo with others and easily cross bamboo and rope bridge. One thing I told here in this question, bare feet. Children, since bare feet with toes provide a better grip than shoes or slipper, is it? Just think. So it is very easier to walk on that bridge barefoot, right? And next you see the trolley. The trolley is used in which place? In Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh river is very wide and deep. You see the wide and deep river, and on the both side there is what? There is iron rope. Strong iron rope is there. You see in this picture, strong iron rope in the both side, and it is tied on the strong trees or rocks. And there is a trolley. You can see that picture of trolley, that wooden box, like only 4 to 5 persons can sit in this trolley. Okay, and it's there. How this trolley move? There is a pulley which help the trolley to move across the road, and they reach the other side of the river in a very short time. Now children, you see one of the boy in this picture is try to pull uh, this very nicely the bucket from the well, but what the difference? He is using one picture without pulley and one picture he is using the pulley. Okay, so this is what the difference. You can see here is a pulley. The boy in the picture one is using that one. Okay, pulley. So pulley is what? Lift the things easier. So which one is make the easier? Okay, just think this answer. Next, you can see the pulley uses in various construction sites and to hoist the flags and to fetch water from wells also. Now cement bridge. Cement bridge is very stronger than bamboo bridge if I compare. So see here, it is made up of what, children? It is made up of cement bricks, iron rod, and there is a lot of difference. You can write down cement bridge and bamboo bridge difference. Very nice way. This question you have to practice. Very important question. Bamboo bridge. Which one is uh, very much stronger? Next is this. You see Vallam. Vallam is used in Kerala. See, all the students is reaching their school through the very small wooden board they are using, right? And they reach the school in Kerala. So there is various means is now children are using to reach their school in various places. You see now Rajasthan. Rajasthan here in this picture, Rajasthan. Children are using which thing? Camel cart. Okay, it is very much they live in the desert and it's very much hot, very hot in the day, and they ride what? Camel cart. Okay, next is bullock cart. You see bullock cart. There is a bullock cart is running in the village in the plain, and through the it is very much sunny, raining, and they using the umbrella. So anyhow they are not stopped to go to school and very nicely reach their school and various means of transport. Now bicycle ride. You see the bicycle ride. The girls are very nicely using the cycle ride to reach the school. Earlier they are not going because it's so much far the place, and now they are using 7 to 8 girls, you can see in this picture, easily ride through the difficult roads. So bicycle ride is very much good for our health. Okay, so next is see Jugaad. Jugaad is what? A type of vehicles which is made up of very innovative idea, children's. The front portion is look like motorcycle, but the carriage is like a back at the made up of planks of wood. Point to be remember. Okay, and you can also use various waste material to create something innovative idea. So why it is called Jugaad? Because it is made up of waste materials. Okay, next is you see the children's in the how children cross the jungle. In the jungle, at some places there is so much thick, there is no sunlight, also not there, so much dark, and only the sounds of birds and animals. So you see there is very much scary situation, but children are passing the jungles, dark jungles, dense forest, and then they reach the school. Okay, next is moving on the snow. You see the snow, it is very difficult, okay, to hold and walk. It is, you need to hold very nicely tight our hands to our friends and walk very slowly, because children, if the snow is soft, our feet is sink into it, and if the snow is frozen, it may slip or fall. So this thing you have to uh, northern hills children are going to school. Now rocky path is in Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand, there is a rocky and uneven path, and children who live in the plains, it is quite difficult for them to cross. But those who habituated, those who practice, they are very easily pass this rocky paths and uneven paths, right? So children, no matter whether there is a dense forest, farms, mountain, or snow on the way, children somehow manage to reach their school very nice and attend their regular classes. So this is what in this first chapter. So childrens, you can see in this picture how animal ear is exchanged, and with the others animals you can identify. Now you see down which animal have visible ear and which one is not. There is a two box, you can write this here very nicely in this two box. Now you see the birds have ears. Have you noticed this one in this picture? Any ears is there? No. So what, how the birds will hear? Some animals is ears like a fan, you can write here which animals ears is like a fan. So which animals ears is look like a fan, which animals is ear is like a leaves, you can here you can write very nicely. You see the elephant ear is look like a fan, like this you have to compare. Here is the various birds and crocodiles, their ear is not visible. So what is that? A birds has what? Tiny holes, very tiny holes on both the sides of the head, and that holes is generally covered with feathers. Okay, point to be noted, children. Crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. So lizard also, they lizard body, you just see in your home lizard, tiny holes are there on lizard head. Now ear is complete. Now you can observe, childrens, there is various animals skin you can observe whose skin is fitted with which animal in this picture. So the different pattern of the animals are due to hairs on their skins. This one is must be remember. Okay, now you see, childrens, here is one box. Put the names of animals. The ears can be seen, hairs has hair on their skin, ears cannot be seen, has feather. We just write here very nicely whose ear, elephant ear is seen or not. You just write has hair on their skin or not. You just complete this box. Next here now few animal who lay eggs, and few are very nicely you can observe the few are laying eggs and which animal is not laying eggs. So here you see in this picture, children, this animal is lay eggs or give birth to the young ones. So you see those animals very very important. Those animals whose ear you can see have hair on their body. Okay, these animals give birth to the young ones. So this one you have to remember. Okay, and those animals, this point you note it down very nicely. Those animals which do not have ears on the outside and do not have hair on their body, these animals lay eggs. So this point is very very important, and that will be very very you can write in your own sentence. Okay, now children, you see there is a few animal like dinosaur. We will not see dinosaurs, we just see in films and photos, books, this much, because these animals, a few animals are there which extinct. Extinctions of a particular animal or plant species occurs when there is no more individual of that species alive in this world. So that means the species has died out. Okay, so you see the dinosaurs thing picture only in the photos, and there is some animal which will be in danger, like you can see in this picture, tiger. Okay, so tiger, you just see children's animal that is endangered, very close to extinctions. That means only very few of that type of animal is left in the world. Okay, so this one we need to save. That's why tiger, we need to save tiger. Okay, so we need to save the animals. So one question is that how can we save wildlife and endangered animal species? By creating the awareness, social awareness. Okay, forestation. Okay, we can plant more and more trees, we can protect their natural habitat. So there are many national parks like Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. So for this all for protection of the animals and wildlife animals. So it is very important. The conservation of endangered animal is very important for human as well. Balanced ecosystem purify the environment, giving us a clean to breathe, a healthy water system to support diverse marine lives, and provide good land for agriculture production. Right, children? It is very important. So that is what we learned from this chapter. Okay, all of you very nicely revise this two chapter.